So today is an exciting day. I'm here at Ford Service Center to actually get these recalls taken care of. So they're checking two battery modules. They're doing the heated steering wheel. They are doing the light bar replacement in the back and getting a new dash mat up there. Supposed to have all that done in a day. We'll see how it goes. Bye, old light bar. See you later. Actually, I'm not gonna miss you. You're getting all wet and messed up. And if you look here, no heated steering wheel. We'll see if that little button, it's supposed to be right in there. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty guys, we are back. The recalls are done and they got everything done. I got here at 8:30. They got it done at, I got to text at 2 o'clock. So it only took them a little bit longer than half a day. I got the heated steering wheel done. Look at this right down here. This was not here before. Yeah. No heated steering wheel before it goes in. That's what it looks like with the heated steering wheel. Ha ha ha. No heated steering wheel with the heating steering wheel. No heated steering wheel with the heated steering wheel button. I know it's probably not that exciting for some people that already have it. They're like, oh yes, I have had a heated steering wheel in all my vehicles. But anyways, it's actually kind of nice to have that, and it's working really, really nice, and so you can cuddle with it. Oh, I'm just teasing. Anyways, I'm excited. The dash mat is done. That's here on the list. Here, look up here. So if they do that with you guys, basically they didn't put it in all the way here, but these little tabs will go right in on these little holes, and you just push down and you can snap it in, and that's what I had to do there. But if you look, it has a better lip here to catch liquid. But yeah, people were just putting they were putting drinks up there, even though there's lots of cup holders. Both the battery control modules, what they had to do is they just had to check those, and if I didn't have a problem, which I didn't have a problem with mine, so they just double checked that. And I'll show you the rear light bar replacement here in a minute. But something I did want to tell you about the heated steering wheel. Ooh, that's getting warm. Yeah, that's awesome. So what it is the heating element and everything, it was already here, but they just left the module out, and the module's actually behind here, and then they had to program the software. So something he was telling me is that sometimes they're actually having problems with the software recognizing the module. Mine worked out fine, but that might happen on yours. I don't know, but that is something. This does feel really nice. Ooh, yeah. Something I did notice was happening with the steering wheel as I'm driving. It's making almost like a little scraping sound, plastic scraping sound. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think maybe something wasn't put back on right. So I'm gonna have them check that out. All right, so it looks like they got it working. No more noise. That worked out pretty well. Basically what it was, they were saying, is this top piece right here was actually not seated in there all the way. So it was just kind of rubbing up against there. So, okay, so now let's go check the light bar. So if you see here, it's all lit up nice. They replaced this whole middle piece of the light bar. So not this piece, the middle piece. Liquid was getting down in there. There was moisture in mine, but that's all fixed now, all good to go. They got a little bit of dust on here, so I need to run it through a car wash, but looks like everything got on there good. So I did want to clarify from the other video, I have a Lariat, so I have the light bar that got replaced. Some people that have the XLTs, the Pros, they may not have the same recall issues. So what you need to do is you need to look up the recalls per VIN number, go to your Ford dealership, have them double check them, and they could tell you and get that scheduled. You can also see the recalls right here on your Ford app. So a couple different things here I wanted to point out. So you click down here at service on the bottom on the app, and there's two different things that you need to look at. One actually says recall. It's right here. I just got mine fixed, so it automatically updated and said no recalls. But something else I was going to show you is this thing right here. They're not recalls officially. They're calling it the customer satisfaction program, which is basically like a warranty. So you just click there. This will give you the information that you need. So there's only one thing listed here. That'll go away soon once that resets. But I just wanted to show you an easy way to check and see if you have any recalls. If a Ford dealership is going to tell you it's going to take a long time on these, go find another dealership. If they're telling you you need to put down a deposit or you need to leave the truck here, don't do that. I had this done in just a little bit over half a day. It was pretty quick turnaround. They updated the software, everything. They did it all in just a little bit more than half a day. So don't let the dealerships give you a runaround. These guys are pretty cool here at Phil Ford. That's all the updates on the recalls. So let me know if you have any more questions. I'll see you on the next video.